Understanding, leave someone alone. A guide to polite English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in the English language. Leave someone alone. This expression is not only prevalent but also crucial in maintaining respectful boundaries in various social interactions. Let's explore what it means, when to use it, and how to incorporate it into your daily English conversations effectively. Leave someone alone is a phrase that means to stop bothering or disturbing someone. It's a request or demand for privacy or peace, often used when someone is being too attentive, intrusive, or is making another person feel uncomfortable. This phrase is about respecting someone's space and time without interference. In personal interactions, you might use leave someone alone in personal situations when you or someone else needs space to focus, relax, or simply be by themselves. It's important to use this phrase politely and respectfully, as it can sometimes come off as harsh if not delivered correctly. In professional settings, in professional environments, this phrase should be used cautiously. It's better to opt for more formal alternatives like, I need some time to concentrate on this task, or, could we discuss this later, to maintain professionalism. Understanding the context. Context is key. Recognizing when someone needs space or when you should give someone space without being told is a valuable social skill. Non-verbal cues can often indicate when it's time to leave someone alone. To avoid misunderstanding or sounding too direct, here are some softer alternatives. Could I have some space, please? I need a moment to myself. Let's talk about this later. These alternatives convey the same message but in a gentler manner, which can be more appropriate in certain settings. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, leave someone alone, and how to use it thoughtfully in your daily English communication. Remember, respecting someone's request for space is crucial in all interactions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.